Factory, where we bring you that authentic island vibe. Today we are headed to St. Margaret's Waterfall, also known as the Seven Sisters Waterfall.
So we're at the last place we think that the car could stop, so we park here. I think there's a restaurant this way. Maybe we might check it out on our way back if we have time. So we're heading up the trail. Today we have Luan and Rashida with us. We have a little sign here. Welcome to D&L's, the cheap stop for the lowest price in chocolate bars, cocoa balls, local made candies, right? So we have a nice little something to take back for your friends and family. And this is, I guess this is the cheap stop. Okay, nice little vibes. Alright, so we're heading up this path. Alright, so we reached the first intersection. Mind you, this is the last time I've been here. I had about 10 years, so 20 plus years since I've been here. We reached the first intersection and we do not know if to go left or if to go right, but we met some goodly people on the way here. They tell us it's a bit muddy, so we're taking a muddy track. And mind you, I'm not in hiking gear today. Yeah, I should have one she bad shoes. And me and Luan in slippers.
Listen for the waterfall.
So we made this house here. We don't know if we go in the right place. Lord,
I never see her come in this waterfall.
imagine we now start and we lose already. We don't know where we're going.
Rashida, some god dog.
Find the wrong way.
Good day. You see any track? So we have to go up that hill. Way up soon.
Alright, so we're heading back. We finally take. While we was thinking we should take the muddy track. I guess the muddy track was the incorrect track. So we're heading back. That's the beauty of an adventure. See, when you don't know where you're going, the beauty of an adventure. So we're heading back to the junction and we're gonna try the other track. Hopefully we are successful in our endeavors in discovering or locating this waterfall today. Despite we're here and we're not too sure as to the direction, the track, which place to go. I walk with my lunch, eh? So it don't matter if we lose. I won't be lost on a hungry belly. So then we have one, I don't know if there is a road, but we have a path going this way. So we're about to take this path. So we have this path, we have this way, and then we just came from this way over there. So we're gonna try the track. I find we're gonna have better luck with the track. Yeah, find that is it. We're on the right road, man. Right. So remember, if you are coming to Seven Sisters or St. Margaret Falls, I would advise that you get a guide. Don't do like us and just try a thing. Lovely breeze. So we're going down this part here. So after one failed attempt, I think we're on the right track now. Rashida, where are they? What the ass is that? All the Rashida walk with Chikoko. And I boast in the fact that I have my little roti with me. I should have pulled out cocoa. There are some handrails on the side at some of the path, which is good. I should have cracked the cocoa now. You the thing hard?
Don't worry, I know it. Puppy.
I remember when I was small. They
Luan, don't leave out the cocoa. Luan.
They used to beat us for going and suck cocoa. They say cocoa will give us. They say cocoa will give us short breath. The amount of licks I get in my young days for going and suck cocoa, me and my sister. Just because they don't want to lose like a pound on the cocoa in time for them to sell it. And cocoa, if you ever suck cocoa before, drop a comment, smash a like. Let us know your experience with sucking cocoa. So this St. Margaret Falls got its name from, its nickname, Seven Falls, simply because there are actually 7 different falls which makes up the St. Margaret Falls. So today, maybe based on time, we might only be able to check out 1 or 2 of them. But if you're here and you have the time and you come early in the day, then maybe you could try to hike the trail and do all 7 of them. So so far I can hear the sound of the river. So more or less we shouldn't be far from the first falls. Alright, so we are crossing our first little stream there. And wow, it's a little bit muddy. Alright, so we meet another junction here and there's a sign. So the river is right there. And then there's a sign showing that this way is to the falls. Fallen bamboo, wet rocks on the riverway. Alright, so it's really good that there are some signs because we don't know where we're going. So at least we have a little guidance along the way. Big up to the persons who placed that sign at the junction there. So we have a boardwalk over another stream and a nice bamboo pavement. Nice bamboo pavement. I just want to jump in the water and take a good deep, nice river bath and head home. So I was just walking on my merry way and something just told me, Gavin, look up. So in looking up, this is a zip line. I'm not too sure if it's still functioning, but if you had the opportunity in the past to do the zip lining, how was it? What was your experience like? Share in the comments. What was your experience like doing the zip line? Was it fun? Were you scared? Let us know. I would have really liked to do that. Alright, so we're at another junction, but this time there is no directions. So there is a path going down this way and a path going up this way. I have no idea. Oh my, look at it. It's right there, man. And I did wonder in which direction we're heading. And I'm not listening to the sound, the sweet sound of that waterfall. So we're right there. It's a little bit muddy here. Okay, right here we have to cross the river. So to do that, I don't want to mess up my footwear. So I'm gonna take off my slippers and I'm heading across the river. Waterfall, the waterfall looking nice. What? Hey, what? That water cool. Oh, that water cool. Wow. I don't sure if I did it. What? Water cool. And finally, we are here. And it's beautiful. You all want to see? Trust me, it's beautiful, magical. Just look at that. So these are two waterfalls, one high up, one low. You're gonna have a good time today. Cool water or not.
So yes guys, we made it to the Seven Sisters Waterfall. This is just the first two. We cannot make it up to the rest.
Trust me, it's a really nice scenery. So this is one of the waterfall. This is another one, and there are 5 others higher up. Maybe next time we might be able to explore all 7 of them. But somehow I just want to jump. I want to jump in there. But I don't know if that's a good idea. I don't know if there's stones or anything there. Alright guys, if you made it this far in the video, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that every time we drop a new video you'll be notified. If you're interested in getting any of the merch, 473 Factory, all the information is down in the description. You can check out our online store, or you can send me a message via Instagram. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the video. We made it back out safe. It was roughly about a 20-minute hike. So if you're interested in doing this hike, trust me, it's worth the experience. So remember to like the video if you enjoy the content, drop a comment, share with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe. 473 Factory, we out.